This video will be short, sweet, and to the point. Today we will talk about the new kids on the crypto block. That would be NFTs. Many people have many questions about NFTs. Some say this is just a fad and will soon end. And many think this is the beginning of something extraordinary. A very long time ago, people were confused about AC and DC power electricity. Many people said that electricity wasn't safe. I'll stick with my kerosene lanterns. Today, we see kerosene as the less safe alternative to lighting our homes and businesses. Now, we could not imagine living without electricity. In the not-too-distant past, no one knew what the internet was. And now, we couldn't imagine our lives without the internet. Heck, we all carry the internet around in our pockets every day through our cell phones. The fact of the matter is, without electricity, there would be no internet. Without the internet, there would be no blockchain. And without the blockchain, there would be no cryptocurrencies or NFTs. Try your best to take advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So, what the heck are NFTs? NFTs are the big technologies built on top of Ethereum right now. NFTs are non-fungible tokens. A non-fungible token, or NFT, is a unit of data stored on a blockchain, a digital ledger, which can represent a unique digital item like art. An NFT is a cryptographic token, but unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and many networks or utility tokens, NFTs are not mutually interchangeable, i.e. not fungible. An NFT is created by uploading a file, such as an artwork, to an NFT auction market. I'm currently purchasing NBA NFTs on NBATopShot.com. I have to say, this has been a very fun and educational way to learn about NFTs. CryptoSlam.io is a great place to find some of the top NFT collectible sites on the web and blockchain. Coming soon in this video, I will share some of my collectibles I purchased on NBATopShot.com. But here, you can see the stats for market cap, today's sales volume, today's market buyers, today's market sellers, and today's mints. If we scroll down a little further, you can see the specific card sales stats. Right now, we're looking at the stats for NBA Top Shot. But here, we can also see the stats for CryptoPunks, Alien Worlds, So Rare. I still remember when NBA Top Shot was not in the top 10. Now they hold the all-time #1 spot here. Now, let's skip to one of the new kids to the NFT world, Topps MLB. I recently collected some physical baseball cards through Topps.com's Project 70. Where some famous people actually draw the baseball cards. Through this process, I found out the Topps baseball cards were coming to the NFT space. I will be quiet for a few moments and scroll through the Topps MLB NFT baseball site for you now. Remember, this channel is here to help you hustle and find money-making opportunities to help you live a better life. I actually don't collect NBA or MLB cards because I like those sports. I'm actually an NFL, college football, and college basketball fan. I collect these cards because of what I am about to show you next. I have made a pretty penny buying, holding, and then selling crypto. I can only imagine what the NFT space can provide as an investment opportunity. Now, let's take a look at my NBA Top Shot NFTs. Take a look at me opening the last 2 cards in this 3-pack. To date, this Steph Curry card is my most valuable. It was one in a pack of 3, which I paid $9 for the pack. Here are this card's highlight stats. Here's what this card's lowest ask price is, $169. And its top sale price, $19,000. Yes, that is $19,000 for a card that costs $9 in a pack of 3. Now, the card that sold for $19,000 was number 30 of 10,000. The card that sold for $18,500 was number 2 of 10,000. My card number is 3,558 of 10,000. So I will more than likely not be able to sell this for $19,000. But worst case is I could sell it for $169, and it cost me $3 for this one card. Not a bad quick profit. But I like to hold on to things like this anyway. Who knows? As they start to get more scarce and people want to complete a set, I may be able to make, say, $2,000 on this card in a year or two. A more detailed NBA Top Shot NFT video is coming soon, so please subscribe now if you've not already subscribed. Last but not least, I am playing a free game where you can win free Gala coins for placing in the top 500 in a weekly competition. Watch our first Town Star video for more details. The link is also in the description below. Another reason I bring up Gala games is that I have purchased 2 NFTs for an upcoming game. This should earn me in-game and maybe out-of-game passive income as well. Which, or if both, I'm not totally sure yet. I hope you enjoyed this NFT introduction video. We will definitely be making more videos about NFTs, crypto, and the blockchain very soon. So get ready. If you're still here, thanks for making it this far in the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, as it will help out this channel a lot. Check out one or both of the videos listed here on this page. And as always, learn more, hustle on, and power through. Thank you, and see you all in just a few minutes.